In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Adobe Express Video. To get started, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the project where you want your music to appear, so you can preview the changes right away as you work. This makes the process much easier because you'll be able to see your timeline and hear how the music fits with your video content. Once your project is open, go over to the left toolbar and click Add Content. From there, select Media. This is where Adobe Express gives you access to different types of assets you can add to your project. Inside the Media section, click on the Music tab. That will open the built-in music library where you can browse through the available tracks. At this point, you can either scroll through the music options to explore what's available, or if you already know the type of song or mood you want, you can use the search field to narrow things down more quickly. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match the tone of your video, whether you want something upbeat, calm, dramatic, or more subtle in the background. When you find a track you like, simply select it, and Adobe Express will add it directly to your timeline. Once the music is added, you'll notice that the panel on the left changes to show settings for that specific audio track. This is where you can fine-tune how the music behaves in your video. One of the main settings you'll see is the volume slider. You can use this to make the music louder or softer depending on how prominent you want it to be. For example, if your video includes spoken audio or voiceover, you may want to lower the music so it supports the video without overpowering the narration. You'll also have the option to apply fade effects. You can choose a fade in, a fade out, or both fade in and out. These settings help the music start and end more smoothly, which can make your video feel more polished and professional. A fade in is useful if you don't want the audio to begin too abruptly, and a fade out can help the ending feel cleaner and more natural. After that, your music is in place and you're ready to continue editing or preview your video to make sure everything sounds the way you want. And that's it. That's how to add music in Adobe Express Video.